General advice to all startups: try to be extremely specific on the questions that you answer and very concise. The more questions you can answer during the Q&A session, the better for you. So the next startup is IOON, a portable device that creates sanitizer from ordinary water in 1 second.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Andrew from IOON, and we know how to create sanitizer from ordinary water in 1 second. We built scalable technology and put it in portable device because we know germs kill people. It's part of their nature and we cannot change it, but we can fight them. We must wash our hands as often as we can, but soap and water isn't available in places we really need it, so we have to use some portable solutions. All of them consist of chemicals. These chemicals has a lot of disadvantages. These solutions are stale. They haven't changed for the last 60 years. And they haven't alternative up to date. Meet IOON, portable device that creates sanitizer from ordinary water in 1 second. It's combined efficiency of chemical sanitizers and safety of water. I can spray as much IOON as I need because it hasn't smell, it doesn't dry skin, it hasn't any allergens. But the most important, it works. We prove the effectivity of IOON by 300 microbiology tests in certificated laboratory. As well, we prove that IOON works against coronaviruses. It's a very important question in our time. In same time, IOON totally safe for humans, pets and environment, and we prove it in certificated laboratory too. We build IOON as easy to use as it possible. All you need to create sanitizer from water is fill device with water, turn it on and spray. Really easy to use, really really high to copy. You cannot copy our technology because we put in this over 60 years experience in science, in electrochemistry, in pharmacy, and we have a clear vision how to protect our technology. We start with PCT claim and testing in certificated laboratories here in Ukraine. Our next step is a non-provisional patent to protect our technology in our core market in USA. And then we will certificate IOON in our core markets in USA, Europe Union and Asia Pacific region. It's very important for us because IOON is a scalable technology and we can start evolution of IOON with IP. We can build portable and public devices to protect humans anytime and anywhere. And we will start with IOON 1, the device that will create up to 3 liters of sanitizer on single cartridge. You can control your device resources with free mobile app. And when your IOON run out of limit, all you need is to change one small part cartridge and get next 3 liters of sanitizer again and again. With IOON 1, you will be a real eco-friendly person because one IOON will replace up to 3 liters of chemical sanitizers. It's 60 bottles with chemicals inside. And you will save your money because IOON is a real economy solution. We will generate revenues from 2 main streams, from devices and from cartridges. And with this business model, we go into the global hand sanitizer market. It's growing sharply because of coronavirus, but personal safety is a trend of 21st century. As well, IOON can take share from global antiseptic and disinfectant market because IOON can eliminate germs not only on our hands, but on all our surfaces. And we have a clear vision how to reach our goals. We start with lab prototype and now we have an MVP. We're ready to start production here in Ukraine. We find strong partners to manufacture our device. And our next step is a Kickstarter campaign. We must prove our idea on core market in USA. And our next steps is Euro Union and Asia market. Now we're looking for $50,000 to do our Kickstarter campaign, start IP protection and production test bench of our devices. And most important in IOON is our team. We combine experience and energy. Our advisors share with us their expertise in science, technology, business, hardware. We are ready to change the global hand sanitizer market. Will you join us?
Awesome
Thank you.
presentation. Thank you so much. And it's very important to end with the call to action. I actually have 4 questions from online judges already, so you have triggered quite a few interests. So let's start with the first. Can the product work with any water in the world? It's a yes or no question.
Any type drinking water.
Okay.
Drinking water, yeah.
Understood. So the second question, what are the most efficient distribution channels for IOON at your point?
Amazon.
Okay. Do you plan to sell consumables, and what are other ways to monetize the hardware?
We can rent our device, so we can sell our device to rent as well. We can build some extra features like cases or power banks for IOON. So it's many ways to monetize our idea. Yeah.
So a question from Warren Haber. Would you consider giving the product away for free and only charge for the cartridge?
No, it's make no sense. We have a prime cost and we must cover it.
And a question from Marty Kashubovsky. How do you plan to begin marketing of the product?
We will start with a Kickstarter campaign and then we will go to the mass market in Amazon. We will prefer online channels because it's growing. Yes, our online channels growing on more than 23% right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need money?
Yes.
What is more important for you, investments or market?
Market.
Thank you.
If you compare the price of your ready-to-use sanitizer with the normal sanitizers, what is the difference?
Well, in the price, difference in the price. So
In price for 1 liter.
yeah. In America, one bottle with sanitizer cost around $2. One IOON will replace 60 bottles with sanitizer. So
Together with cartridges.
yeah.
Okay. Another question from Bas Gotska from online. Will you or can you get the price down through scaling, or will it remain exclusively priced for consumers?
Yeah, absolutely yes. Yeah.
And the next question from Andrian Slavotsky. After Amazon, who else?
After Amazon?
After Amazon as a distribution channel.
We plan to use offline channels like Walmart's in USA. It's the largest offline retails. So we will use offline retails.
Any other questions?
Yeah, I have one more. Why you?
Why me? Because we are great experts in IOON technology. We know how to create sanitizer from water.
Thank you.
Great. That was a perfect example of taking feedback and implementing it in real time. So I think that's also something for investors to know. That's always a good sign for a founder. Thank you so much. And